Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are starting a complete series about German language. German language is an official language of German. Some key aspects in this video we can talk about. The first is introduction to Germany, some information that you know about Germany. The second is introduction to German language, that can our main point in this video. And the third thing is some warm up for some German words and English words and which are related to each other, and some sentences that is helpful to introduce yourself in German to others. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Of the German. And last point is so in this video we gonna talk about machine learning. Second point, yes, normally everyone knows. Okay, so first thing about introduction to Germany. Introduction is known as Federal Republic of Germany and located in Central Europe. It is rich for our history, strong economy, contribution to science, physiology, and culture. Every state, every country, language is very important. That can the identity of any state, any country, and show their culture can and play a very significant role in communication. Now we talk about German language. German language is a West Germanic language and it is one of the most widely spoken language in the world. We talk about some key aspects of German language. The first is the standard form of German language is known as Hochdeutsch. Hochdeutsch in German, but in English we say High German. So you can understand Hochdeutsch in German, in English High German. I can say, and also I can show you all the words in English and in German on the black screen. Look at it on beside me, right? In that one. Okay. So standard German language is used in education, business, culture, and definitely for official documents that are widely used in German. German is famous for writing papers. Some aspects, right? So the next point is dialects. Germany have a rich variety of dialects, and in different regions you can find different type of dialects like Bavarian, Swabian, Saxon, and more. Grammatical features. Germany are rich in grammatic, and for complex grammars, it has three grammatical genders: masculine, feminine, and a neutral. That is also known as transgender, and had four cases that are nominative, accusative, genitive, and dative. These are the four words, four cases. In English, they are different, but in German, there are different words like that. Noun declaration and adjective informations are common in German. Okay, the next aspect key is vocabulary. Germany is rich for our vocabulary and is known as compound words. Many words are created by combining small words, making for precise and descriptive terminology. For example, Fernseher. Fernseher is a combination of Fern and Seher. That means in German television or TV, and this is also a German word Fernseher. And you can think about that. We can say Fernseher like Z, Z, as pronounced as Z. So these are some rules in German that we can say and listen that things, but we can talk about later. Okay, the next thing is internationally importance. So German is widely spoken native language in European states and is used for second language in German and in some other states like in Central European states. In German there is official language, but in other states or European states they are used as secondary language, and definitely English is the first language in some states and some countries in European states, right? Like UK, like Poland, Norway. Mostly English are spoken, but Germany has a secondary language, and in some states and countries Germany has official language. Okay, we can also talk about later. The next point that is very important, and the last point is about German introduction. That is Deutsch as the official language. Deutsch means German. Some people are say they are pronounced as Dutch, but it's not a Dutch. It's a Deutsch because we use as DUI. The word is shown on the screen, right? Okay, Deutsch is an official language in these countries like Germany, like Switzerland, like Austria, like Luxembourg, like Belgium, and some other states in European state, and some other countries where Germany has pronounced as official language and for as a secondary native language. Okay, now we have the main topic about introduction to German language, and you can also learn these things about German. German are divided into 6 steps. The first is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2. We can study it in this series, as a starting A1 level. This is the basic level for in German, and also step by step we reach at C1 level, that is a proficiency level, high proficiency level in German, right? And the one disclaimer that is that all the sessions in all the series and all the information I can provide you in this series is according to Goethe Institute, that is an officially recognized institute for German language. Okay, now introduction to yourselves to others in German. I can say some words in English, then some according that say in German. The first word is hello. Hello, sir, in English, right? But firstly, I can only telling you about hello. In English, the word hello, but in German, it is a little bit easy. Hallo. In English, hello, but in German, hallo. This is an informal way. You know about that? There is a three ways to speak: the informal way, the formal way, and a semi-formal. That is little bit formal and informal, right? All the words have formal, informal, and semi-formal way, and I can tell you about beside that, right? So the first word is hello in English, and I can pronounce as informal way. In German, we said hello. Okay. The next word is how are you? This is a complete sentence. How are you? In German, by formal way. Understand me? By formal way, we said we get is hinnen. We get his hinnen. We get his hinnen. How are you? In English, but in German, we said we get his hinnen. Right? Don't pronounce it, only listen me and understand what I am saying and what is the meaning of these words. Don't try to learn, don't try to pronounce, only listen me, right? Okay, the next sentence is, actually it's not sentence, this is an informal way of how are you. The first I say formal way to say how are you in German, that is we get this hinnen. And in Germany, in German language, if we say by informal way to our friends, to our relations, we say only we get. We get. This is an informal way to ask how are you, right? So the next word is sir. SIR, sir. In English we said sir, and but in German we say Herr. HERR. Okay, the words are shown in the screen also. Okay, so if I say by formal way, how are you, sir? So we say we get his hinnen Herr, and by informal way we said hello, sir, hello, Herr, hello, Herr. Right? Very easy. Okay, so the next word is hello. We can also talk about hello in the previous words. Actually, this is an informal way to say hello in English, and in German we say hello. But if we say by formal way, we say in German Guten Tag. Guten Tag. And in English we say hello. And in German, by formal way, we said Guten Tag. Very easy, right? You can also, I think, learn this word because it is very easy. Okay, so the next word is good morning in English, but in German we say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Okay, very easy, I think. And the next word is good evening. Good evening. In German we say Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Very easy. This is also. And the next word is good night. These are little bit difficulty sometimes. That is in German Gute Nacht. The word is Gute. So in English we say Gute. Yeah, Gute. According to region, you can why you can pronounce these words. But in German, these are rules. Some rules according to that we pronounce German. That are discussed till later in other videos, but I can only telling you in this video that is if E in the last of the word, we say E as A, right? So that's why we say Gute Nacht, right? According to that, the next word is farewells, farewells, and this is an English word. But if we say this word in German, we say Abschiede. Abschiede spelling is Schide. In the last of the word, E is the last of the word, and we say E as A. So the word is Abschied. In English, this is the meaning of farewell. And in German, we say Abschied. Okay, the next word is bye bye or goodbye. So in German, by informal way, we say Tschüss. Tschüss. Right? Okay, the spelling is TCH and USS, or sometimes we say TSCHUSS. The word is Tuscus in English if we say, but and also in German if we say T is silent, and we say also just, but this is the wrong pronunciation. You have two little dots on upper side, and but on the top of you, so we pronounce it you pronounce as you, right? And according to that, the true pronunciation of this word is cheers, right? I think you understand. The other word in formal way for goodbye and bye bye in German, that is ciao. Bella ciao, bella ciao. You understand the song Bella ciao? In that song, the word ciao is for used for goodbye or bye bye. Ciao, CIAO. Okay, but this is an informal way to say goodbye and bye bye. Now we talk about by formal way. If I want to say goodbye by formal way in German, we say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is a pronunciation of this word in English, but in German we pronounce as Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. As pronounced as Z. This is an also rule, that is, if S used with any vowel letter like A, E, I, O, use the vowel letters, and if S used with any vowel letter like of other things is used S with E. So E is an vowel letter. So if S used as with E or any vowel letter, so we pronounce S as Z. And same condition apply on that step. If we use Z with vowel letter, we pronounce Z as S. Okay, so I think you understand. If you don't understand, don't worry about that. We can detail discuss on the other videos about these rules. Okay, so the word is Auf Wiedersehen, in by formal way to say bye bye or goodbye. Okay, so the next word is see you soon. This is very popular word, we can say in English, see you soon. So in German we say only the small word bis bald, but this is a semi-formal way to say that. Okay, and this is very easy. Bis bald. In English we say see you soon, but in German by semi-formal way we say bis bald, right? The next sentence is see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. In German we say only bis morgen. This is an also semi-formal way. Bis morgen. Okay. Then the last word in this video we say, actually this is not word, this is a sentence. See you till later. See you till later. And in German we say bis später. Bis später. Some say Germans pronounce it bis später and some say bis später. Both are, I think, common in used, but the true pronunciation is bis später, because in A there are two little dots on top of side that pronounce as A. Okay, A. So bis später. Bis später. That is a true pronunciation. And if you don't understand the pronunciation by some voice problem, there is a possibility, right? So you can also write these words on Google Translator, and by the function of voice you can also pronounce these words. I think you understand these are the words. I can suggest you copy these words by our screen and just written 5 times each word. That can help you in writing and also pronunciation and speaking. So thank you very much for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.